Today we are going to learn how you can create multiple characters on New Express Adobe free version. The free version allows you just one character, but today I'll show you how you can create multiple character and also create students sitting on this classroom. Yeah, today I'm going to be a teacher. Please listen very well, pay attention, watch this video till the end. Make sure you subscribe, like and share it so that others will learn. If you have any problem, use the comment section. Yeah, this is New Express Adobe. This is logo. So there is something about it when you are using it to create animation. It does actually give you what you want. So if you want to create animation with a New Express Adobe, I'll drop the link on the description. Here we're not going premium, so we're using this just for free. Make sure you sign up, but we're not paying anything for this. You click on this plus sign because we want to create animation. If you click here and then go down, you'll see what you can use this Adobe and do. But we're not interested on that. What we're interested is on animation. Then we'll now click here. You scroll down a little bit and then now say animate from audio. Good, animate from audio. For now, this Adobe has characters, but I keep on adding characters every day by day. But there's a problem with these characters. The character doesn't move. It can always demonstrate or shake within some axis. So for now, there is no way this character moves. So but here say make an animated character with your own voice. So the only thing you can do with this character is to make it talk. So this is a character. So we're going to trick this Adobe and use 3 characters on one background or one slide. So let me change the background. So click on the background. Then click here. Go to, okay, let me say all. I'll choose the one that we need. I'll use something like this. Let's see. If you look now, this size is for mobile. So let's change the size. Make it this is 9 by 16. So let me change the size to make it landscape because this is a portrait. So let me check this. Okay, I think this is okay. So now this is a character. We'll go back to a character. This is a character. We cannot create another character. For now, there is no option for that. You can't create 2 characters. It's only one you can create. But here, I want to use 3 characters in this particular slide. So how am I going to achieve that? That's what you're going to see now. Okay, let me start with this character. So assuming this character is standing here. Good, this character is standing here. And I want another character to stand here. Okay. So here I'm going to record this character. After recording this character, then I'll see the next thing to do to make another character stand here. I'll click here. Say this is the first character standing at the back. Done. You wait for it to finish uploading. Good. I'm done with the first character. So what I'll now do, you can go ahead and download it. Okay, and save. So what I want to do now is simple. I go back again, click on quick action, scroll down, and animate from audio will bring me back here. So it's still yet to show the character. So now I need another character. Let's wait for it to show. There's a network problem here. Good, it has shown. So I need another character to stand here. So let's choose this lady. Can see it replaces this one. It cannot have it. So we take it here, okay, and can even put it in between here. But that has to do with editing the background. So now this is where this lady is now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this my background. So come into background, and from here I say color and transparent. I don't want to use a transparent. I'm going to use a color, and then a custom color. Okay, let's just use this. I want to use this, I think. Yeah. So this is what I'm going to use. Then let me record this. Oh, I'm the second character standing by the other side. So we're done. So go ahead and download it. So I've downloaded it, and what we're going to do now is we go back again, click here, click on quick action, and scroll down to animate from audio. Then wait for it to load. It has loaded. So I will now change this background again to what we used earlier on, and this is what we used. So here I'll come back to my character and then find a character that I like. There's a character with cushion, I think. Okay, good. So I can take this character and put here. Perfect. I think this is okay. So I'll do my record. Before I do my record, let me change the background. Go to background and use this. Okay. And now say record. I'm the third character sitting by the side, and we can go on and have other characters. Done. The issue we have with the audio is that it's supposed to make it as a dialogue. If you want to make it a dialogue, the first character will talk before the second one and before the third one. So it will now become a dialogue. So let's download it. It's downloaded. So what we are going to do now, we open our video editor. Please, if you don't know how to use it, you check the link for my course below. Then we're going to bring these three short clips together. Okay, when you bring it together, now we'll have this one as the first one, then have this one as the second one. So the only problem we're going to have is that the voice may join together. If we wanted to make it professional, if the first character speaks to here, then the second character will now speak from here to here. But this is just for education and testing purposes. So for you to see how I can have a three characters on a new Express Adobe free for now. So we have the third one. So we're going to click here. We'll click here. Then I'm going to use green screen. And what do I do with green screen? Okay, then have it. It's okay. This giving me shadow which I don't want, but this just for education purposes. You can remove that shadow when you're doing it on your own. So then the second one will do the same thing. Remove what I call green screen. Yeah. So now I can go ahead. Let me try and play my video. The second this is the first character sitting by the side, standing at the other side. Wanted to record something, can record it as well. So let's just produce our video and see what the output will look like. I just say create. I'm using free new Adobe Express and it's only allowed for one character. So let's see our video now. So this is our video. So you can see we have three characters. You can see that. So that's how you can create multiple characters